Since you made it, we will now start your introduction ceremony.
Induction me.
I said what I said, Ram. Cassie, Gina.
Lu, ano yan?
Induction ceremony. Hindi tayo pwede maging friends kung hindi natin to gagawin. Eh, gusto mo maging friends tayo ulit, di ba?
Oo naman, Laika.
Drink this.
Ano ba yan?
This is the blood of your sisters.
Ha? Dugo ni Jingjing! Ayoko inumin yan!
No. Dugo namin yan.
Dugo ninyo? Uy, mas lalong di ko inumin!
Juice lang yan, te. Try mo. Yummy!
Ano, princess, are you in or out?
Laika. Siyempre in!
Okay. Bottoms down.
Bottoms up. Me.
Down, kasi pag inubos niya yan, ibababa niya, di ba? Ram naman, stress mo ako lagi.
Ubusin ko to, Laika.
Yes!
Go, princess. Drink it.
Ayun na. Yay! Princess, welcome to Laika's Sisterhood Society. Ah! Uy, ikaw din!
Let's do it, Ed!
Ed!
Yes!
As your reigning queen, me, you must promise to follow these rules and manata bilang mini-me.
Kailangan to, ha?
Yes, of course. Just say yes, okay? Sige, sige. Rule number 1. I promise to always be faithful and loyal to my fellow me's.
Yes!
Rule number 2. I promise to always help my fellow me's.
Yes na yes yan!
Okay. Rule number 3. I promise to always be pretty. Kabog, laging may makeup, and walang baskil.
Bis naman, di ko kaya yan nung nagpapadyak ako, di ko kaya yung nakapustura. Di talaga.
Princess, hindi ka namin pwede maging kaibigan kung dugyot ka.
Mag-yes ka na lang, te. Huwag ka mag-alala. Tutulungan ka namin mag-grow from this to this.
O, sige. Pero ano tatry ko lang hindi ko mapapromise. Pero susubukan ko.
O sige na, pwede na.
Thank you.
Rule number 4. I promise na walang agawan ng boys. You will not break the me code. Me code.
Oo naman, bestie best. Kung sinong natitipuan mo, kung sinong gusto mo, suportado kita.
Very good. And last but not the best.
Hawit na ako, best, ha?
Kaya mo yan. Rule number 5. I promise to always be loyal to my fellow me's. No lies, no panloloko. Fruits and nothing but the fruits, so help me God. Bestie?
Ha? Oo, bes. Promise na walang mga lies. Tsaka, di ako magsisinungaling.
Perfect! Very good! Therefore, Princess Nieva, I now welcome you as my fellow mini-me.
Pwede na ibaba?
Yes! Ano? Kamusta? Pakiramdam?
Nakakangawit, bes.
Ganun talaga, tiis ganda tayo dito.
Okay.
Okay?
Another power clap!
Yeah!
Yes!